Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to TEQ. This is the multi-use power rake. The two main applications for the TEQ power rake are new lawn or new seeding applications, or renovating existing turf where you have dead spots or grass is not growing in existing lawns. The power rake drum is a 6-inch diameter drum with 48 teeth welded around it. One of the unique features of our TEQ power rake drum is using a narrow tooth. The narrow tooth allows us to dig up hard soil in existing grass while leaving the healthy grass still growing. Digging up that tough soil allows you to put a nice seed bed down to make a nice healthy lawn. The ease of use of the TEQ power rake is one of our main features. You have the ability to change the height of the power rake with the adjustment cam, as well as changing the angle of the power rake with the left pivot trigger. So I can change the angle to make the machine more or less aggressive, or rake debris from left to right. The TEQ power rake features a positive locking differential transmission. Whether you're doing light grading or rough grading, simply flip the lever over center to engage the differential lock to go in a positive forward direction, engaging both wheels, and release it on the end when you want to turn the machine and go back the other direction. Another advantage of the TEQ line of multi-use power products is the ability to change attachments. The ability to change attachments allows you to use one engine and one transmission for a variety of applications, ultimately saving you money and putting more profit in your pocket. I'm Jim. This is the TEQ power rake. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.